Brand Samsung. Model name Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. Display 6.5 inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. Refresh rate 120 Hz refresh rate. Screen protection Corning Gorilla Glass high protection. Rear camera 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel micro lens. Blur-free high quality images. Front camera 13 megapixel front camera. Operating system Android 13, Samsung One UI 5.1. Up to 4 generation of Android up to date. Security up to date, up to 5 years of security up to date. Processor Exynos 1280 octa-core 2.4 GHz with the 12 band support for a true 5G experience. Processor RAM 6GB, internal storage memory 128GB, expandable memory up to 1 TB, user available storage up to 100GB. Signature flagship design. Sensor side fingerprint sensor. Battery capacity 6000 mAh. Battery type lithium. Removable battery no. Fast charging 25 watt fast charging. Battery tech time up to 51 hours 4G. USB type C. Design height 161.7 mm, wide 77.2 mm, thickness 8.8 mm, weight 208 grams. SIM slot dual SIM. SIM size SIM 1 nano, SIM 2 nano hybrid. Network support 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G and VoLTE. SIM 1 5G bands, 4G bands, 3G band, 2G bands, GPRS, EDG. SIM 2 5G bands, 4G band, 3G bands, 2G band, GPRS, EDG. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3. What is in the box? Device, data cable, USB type C to C, ejection pin, QSG. Special feature: fast charging support, dual SIM, always on display, mobile hotspot, capability built-in GPS. Product dimension 0.9 into 7.7 into 16.2 cm. Wireless communication technology, cellular. Audio jack 3.5 mm. Resolution 1080 into 2340. Warranty detail: 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6-month manufacturer warranty for in-box accessory including battery from the date of purchase.